Making backups of your WordPress website isn't actually hard. In fact, it's very simple and it takes just a few steps. In this tutorial video, I'll show you how to do that. Let me introduce myself. I'm Naomi. In this channel, I'm helping you to build websites without tech knowledge or writing too much code. Anyway, let's get started. All right, so this is a very common case that you see an update here, right? Plugin section, and you want to update. This is Elementor Pro. I don't know if you're using it, but Elementor, if you update, let's say 3.5 to 3.6 here, it's kind of scary. So you want to make a backup first. So now to make a backup, we need to add a new plugin and search for all-in-one WP migration. Then install this. This is the simplest way to make a backup. Activate it. Now you have it here, right? Then go to this menu on the left side, all-in-one WP migration. And export is selected right now. And this is where you want to be. And click export to, select file. And now it's making a backup. Then once it's done, click this. Then this is your backup file. Okay, and this is the size 110 megabyte. Since the backup is saved, let's go to plugins. Then make an update. So update is done. Okay. Then let's see like a pages. Okay, there's some pages like this. Let's delete them all. And go to trash and you really delete them. All right, so all pages are gone. And let's see if we can bring back to the previous state. Go to all-in-one WP migration, but this time is import. Okay, then let's drag and drop this thing here. So now it's checking compatibility and it's done. Proceed, finish. And let's go to plugins. See, now the version is 3.52. Of course, Elementor Pro can be downgraded in different ways, but yes. And go back to pages. See, those pages we deleted are back. Okay, and let's see what this site actually looks like. So the URL is site.local, and it looks like this. Okay, this is the top page. And this is a different site. It's site2.local, right? Let's see if we can overwrite this site. Or let's say if we can move site 1 to site 2. Okay. Let's say go to plugins of site 2. We just have all-in-one WP migration again. Then, so do you see? The URL is different, right? Site2.local. Then do the same thing, import. Then you drag and drop this. And same thing is happening. And proceed. Finish. Then, let's refresh it. It requires you to log in again. All right, now it's site 1. Do you see? You visit. Yep, this is site 2 now. And this is site 1. Do you see? It's exactly the same now. Well, let's see if the plugin versions are the same. Yep, now the Elementor Pro is 3.52. And first of all, there was no, these plugins were installed in site2.local. So now this shows that, this site 1 was moved to site 2. I mean, moved or more like copied, right? And this is right now happening in my local machine. However, you can do the same thing to the actual live site. So you can develop on your local machine, then you can push it to the live site like this way. But here's one thing you have to be cautious about, which is, let's say you press import here. This part says 300 megabyte, okay? And free version of all-in-one WP migration, maximum is 500, okay? So if your site is huge, you cannot use just a free version. If you want to break the limit, then you need to have this plugin. Unlimited extension. Of course, yeah, costs money. And yeah, this is the name of the company that's making the this all-in-one WP migration. And the link is in the description. Okay. And they have a lot of different products like auto backups, Google Drive auto backup extension, Dropbox extension, FTP. I'm not gonna go over all of this now, but this unlimited extension I recommend it. I also use it too. So, all right. So yeah, just go crazy and always make backups. That's the most important thing when you're developing, I think. So please subscribe this channel. And if you have any questions, just give me comments. I'll keep making videos. So thank you for watching.